So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know why I was struggling to hold that for a second. How are you guys? Happy Monday. I hope you had a lovely weekend. I hope that it was stress-free and you got to take some time for yourself. And I don't really have anything to say, so I'm just gonna jump right in. So as you know, I like to try these products on camera. I like to try these products on while I'm on camera, and I already have my eyebrows on and my foundation and concealer, and so I'm gonna be doing my makeup with the rest of these products. So the theme this month is the Oasis. And I got so excited when I saw this in my box, guys. When I got this in the mail a couple of days ago and I opened it, I was like, it's so crazy because I was about to buy this at Sephora. I have the mini one that I purchased a few weeks ago and I use this all the time. I absolutely love this. I spoke about this in a favorites video not too long ago. This is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, great for sensitive skin. I love this. This has been my go-to body scrub recently. I feel like it's so finely milled but really does help with the little bumps on my skin. It's such a good scrub and now I don't have to buy the full size. Thanks, Boxycharm! And then the next thing in the box is this. So this is from the brand Tuscan Coral. They have this brand at Sephora, but I've never seen this before. It's the Philip Orange eyeshadow palette. Well, I don't know if it's called like an eyeshadow palette. Yes, eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It kind of has the exact same setup as the MAC eyeshadow palettes. MAC came out with some eyeshadow palettes that looked just like this, and I think that they were set up by color as well. I think they had like a green one, a bronzy one, I'm not sure, but this immediately reminded me of MAC. There are 3 mattes in this palette, and then the rest are shimmery and glittery, so we shall see. I'm gonna do my makeup with this, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow with this. I'm excited because I'm very curious to see the pigmentation on this palette. I wonder how good it is. What do you guys think? Like, looking at this, what is your initial first impression? I don't know, we'll see. So I'm actually gonna do that really quick. Let's throw on some eyeshadows. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do with the eyes. I was gonna add this glitter, but like I don't even know where to put it. Maybe like a dot of this. Okay, never mind. I just put like 4 little sparkles. I don't want to get fallout. Oh no. Too late. I have some of that glitter on my face. So the colors are really nice. I love warm eyeshadows. I'm just not like crazy about the palette. I just feel like there are a ton of palettes out there that have a similar color story, but that just give you more. I don't love that there's just one giant eyeshadow in the middle of the palette and then the rest are different sizes. Like that does something with my brain. I don't love that. I wish the layout was a little bit differently. The pigmentation is fine. I'm not wearing an eyeshadow primer or anything. I feel like if I had the P. Louise makeup base on first, then the colors would really stand out. I honestly started putting on this eyeshadow with just a little bit of concealer on my lids, so that's not 100% fair. So I do think the pigmentation is good. I'm just not like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. You know? But it's nice. It is a $32 palette, so you make your decision with that. Oh my gosh, I also forgot to tell you, they're both full size, obviously. And this guy is 18 bucks. Like, I don't know, this is $32 and I feel like you can get the same look with my So Jaded palette from ColourPop, and that's like $32, so. Just saying. Also, this has like 10 eyeshadows and that one has like 30. But okay, I'm gonna move on to mascara. There is a mascara in the box. This is the Lilly Lashes Triple X mascara. Did I try this recently? Do you guys know? Do you remember? I feel like I'm having a deja vu moment where I've tried this. I don't think I ever bought it, and I don't think I have it anymore. If I did try, you know what? Let's just do this. I'm going to curl my lashes. And now I'm gonna go in with the Triple X mascara in black. Okay, I like that. Mascara looks good. I feel like I remember trying this. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm going insane, but I like it. I think it's nice. I think the formula does take some building, but this is after 2 thick coats, and I really like it. This is a full-size mascara, and it retails for $24. All right, we have one more product in the box. Does. Why did I think I was gonna catch that? Okay, it's good. I thought I broke it, but no, it's good. So this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio. I had no idea it was an eye, lip, and cheek palette. I thought it was just like a face palette because I hadn't read it when I opened it earlier. So it looks like this, and it's cream to powder. So let me see, let me swatch these. They feel very creamy. This actually feels really nice. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna use one of my favorite brushes for cream products. This is the IT Cosmetics No. 7 Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection Brush. And I'm just gonna use these on my face. I might use a little bit of this on my lips. Let's see how that goes. But I'm gonna take the bronzer in the middle called Coconut Grove. Shout out to Coconut Grove in Miami. I don't know why. But shout out to them. I'm blending this formula on the back of my hand, and it looks like very dewy and very, very pretty. So let's see. By the way, there were 2 more products in the box. This is also in the box, but it was just sitting outside of the box, and I didn't realize it. So I will be trying this on after this. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the bronzer on my skin. I do like the color. I like that it has a little bit of a pinky undertone. It makes you feel like naturally tan, so I really like that. But I don't know if I'm crazy about the formula. I do like the shine, but I feel like as I start to build it up, well, no, I think it's fine. I thought for a second it was getting a little bit patchy, but actually, no, it's not. You do have to work with the formula a little bit. Make sure you're blending it out and applying it rather evenly. I do have other cream bronzers in my collection that I like more than this that are easier to blend, but I do like the color and I do like the finish. I like how glowy it makes my skin look. I'm gonna try the blush really quick. It's called Tuscan Coral, and with that same brush, I'm just gonna pop this on the cheeks. Okay, I actually really like this blush. It's so juicy and dewy and glossy and shiny. I like it. It gives my cheeks such a beautiful, youthful glow, and I feel like the more I build it up, the more I like it. It's also really easy to blend. Oh, I love it. It's so sunshiny. I'm gonna put a little bit of the highlight on now. I just love how like glowy and dewy it is, especially if you have like really dry skin. If you're oily, you might not like this face palette, or excuse me, multitasking palette. So I'm actually gonna apply the highlight with my finger. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I am rather picky with my cream highlights because sometimes you'll get a product that's like creamy and dewy, but it's not very reflective, like it's not super highlighty, which I feel like is the case with this. It's a nice natural glow, but it's not like a super intense wet glow. I definitely think the winner in this trio is that blush. This palette is full size and it is $32. No, just kidding. $24. And then the last product is actually a lip liner and lip gloss duo from the brand Cab Cosmetics, and this is their Charming Lip Duo. Is this like a collab with Boxycharm? It probably is because it's called Charming. which this color is very nice. So I'm gonna line my lips really quick with the lip liner. The lip liner kind of reminds me of the ColourPop lip liners. They're super creamy. Well, like the packaging also reminds me of it. But it's super, super creamy, really easy to work with. Glides on like butter. I don't know how great the wear time on this lip liner is because it is very creamy. Usually those don't last a super long time, but I like it. I'm gonna pat some of this onto my lips because you can use this as a lipstick. So I'm gonna take some of that blush color and pat it in. And then I'm gonna go over it with the Charming lip gloss. I don't necessarily love this lip color. I just feel like pinks like this don't look amazing on me. But if you're wondering, this little duo retails for $40. But okay guys, that completes this video. These were all the products I got in this month's Boxycharm. Oh, let's add everything together. Let me open my calculator. Ooh, this month's box was $138. That's good. I definitely think Boxycharm is worth the money, especially since you get so much more than what you pay for, and it's a cool way to try out new products that you wouldn't normally buy yourself. I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes you're like, this box may have been a miss, but sometimes you get like a major hit. It really does depends because everybody's so different and everybody likes different things. This month wasn't my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. I really, really liked this lip liner, and I think with like a deeper lipstick on top, I would really, really love that. And I really, really loved the blush in this palette. I also really freaking love this so much. So this was totally worth it for me just for this. But I've definitely unboxed boxes I've loved more in the past. With that being said, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did you hate it? Did you love it? Did we get the same things? Leave me a comment down below. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!